Emma goes to the UK. Episode 7, Emma tries British cooking. After her market visit, Emma decided to try making a British dish. She opened her new cookbook and chose something simple, shepherd's pie.
Let's see, mashed potatoes, minced meat, onions, peas. I can do this.
She turned on the stove and started chopping. She hummed a tune as she peeled the potatoes.
It's just like making dinner back home,
She thought. But things didn't go perfectly. She dropped the onions. She burned the bottom of the pan. She forgot to defrost the peas. She even knocked over a glass of water.
Aw, this is harder than I thought.
She opened a window to let out the smoke and laughed at herself. Still, she didn't give up. She read the instructions carefully again.
Okay. Brown the meat first, then layer the potatoes. Got it.
After an hour, the kitchen smelled warm and delicious. Emma placed her shepherd's pie on the table and took a bite.
Not bad at all. I made British food.
She felt proud, and a little tired. That evening, Emma took a photo of her shepherd's pie and sent it to her parents. She wrote in her journal,
British food can be tricky, but cooking it myself made me feel proud.
She drew a tiny pie with steam coming out.
Useful phrases.
Let's see.
Let's see.
I can do this.
I can do this.
Turn on the stove.
Turn on the stove.
Chop the onions.
Chop the onions.
Don't give up.
Don't give up.
Open the window.
Open the window.
Layer the potatoes.
Layer the potatoes. Vocabulary.
Decide.
Decide.
Dish.
Dish.
Shepherd's pie.
Shepherd's pie.
Mashed.
Mashed.
Minced.
Minced.
Stove.
Stove.
Chop.
Chop.
Tune.
Tune.
Peel.
Peel.
Defrost.
Defrost.
Knock over.
Knock over.
Let out.
Let out.
Instruction.
Instruction.
Brown.
Brown.
Layer.
Layer.
Take a bite.
Take a bite.
Tricky.
Tricky.
Steam.
Steam.